Someone special's visiting Sprunki Land today. That's right, it's Labubu! And you can't stop at 1. Hey, don't make us have to separate you two. On second thought, let's do that. Time to compete. Now what's a coffin doing out here? A zombie Labubu! But it needs our help. We need to collect magic hearts for it. And here I thought that zombies preferred brains. Looks like you and Mr. Black need to cross the bridge. I'd say the floor is lava, but there's no floor. Just lava. Uh-oh, looks like you two are at a crossroads. And Mr. Black has got the upper hand!
What?
How about we go back to the beginning? Oh no! Mr. Black is all set for round 2! Don't worry, Labubu. We've got a way to switch things up.
Ouch!
And a little switch for you too! Quick, follow the blue brick road. And soon, you've got a brand new heart. Hey, zombie, we've got a surprise for you. Now that's what I call a glow-up. Labubu edition. Sprunkies, Labubus, it's time to get to the other side. Looks like we gotta whip up a bridge. Probably should have made it a little sturdier. Okay, Lady Labubu, wanna have another go? And down they go. Well, back to the drawing board. Maybe third time's the charm. Hurry along, Orin, it's safe.
Phew.
Now that you're here, the games can begin. Try to match the shape on the square. Wow, you two have a real knack for this. You should try ballroom dancing next. Ooh, this next one's kind of romantic. Something tells me they weren't acting. Line up, everyone. It's time for our next game. It looks like we're having a secret soda game. And now, will our lovely assistant come on down? Everyone needs to line up. It's kind of like musical chairs. But you can never guess who's being eliminated. That is, until it's too late. Sorry, Vinaria. Looks like pink is out. Time for round 2. And no, you can't pick the empty one. We landed on green. So sorry, Labubu. You're out. Okay, the final round. Ratty versus Labubu. What's the final color? Ooh, the mystery color. Mustard? Guess it's your pick, Mini Boo Boo. But with a last-minute switch. The winner is Ratty. A point for Sprunkies. Someone call Mario. We're plumbing next.
Meh.
Looks like we need to fix up the pipes. Make sure that everything's hooked up. Pinky wants to send someone a message. Looks like they had to return to sender.
Oops.
Now you're tied. Next up, I'd be careful with this challenge. It looks like one wrong move can end the game. Uh-oh, Guess there's no loyalty among Sprunkies. Judges? Yeah! This round is going to the Labubus. But let's give these guys a second chance. Duck, Wenda, duck! You got it! Now Labubu's all wet. Looks like you're tied once again. Next up, we've got a matching game. Shouldn't be too hard. There's only 2 options. I see. The Sprunkies are still on archery mode. Ooh, probably shouldn't have gone with straight lines. Wow, the Labubus got 2 points for that. Still, let's try this again with a more direct approach. Ah, now you're tied again. Guess we'll need another tiebreaker. We're racing up next. But it's a bit of an obstacle course, too. But don't worry, girls. There's a prize waiting for you in a small blue package. Who will get to sky first? Well, Labubu's going on a trip. Semi-Hemi's got the lead for now, but will it last? Hurry, girls! You don't want to keep Sky waiting! The sign says to look up. Oh, that's for us! And keep an eye out for those falling rocks. Next, let's hope you girls did your jumping jacks. It's okay, Semi-Hemi's got a backup, but Labubu's in the lead. Too bad she's stuck in a dead end. A ladder will help you climb your way to success.
Yes.
Don't cry, Semi-Hemi. We've got a special mini-game for you. Now you've earned your wings. Fly away. Talk about swooping in at the last second. Quick, we need to save these 2 from lava.
What?
Seriously, where's all this lava coming from? Warm your finger up with this mini game. Put the blue Labubu back together. This Labubu can do half the work for you. But let's see which one can reach the top first. Sorry, Aqua, but I'm sure you'll find a way to keep cool. Point for Labubus. Next, it's time for another racing game. Careful, it looks like a tight situation's up ahead. Quite a few of them, actually. Uh-oh! Maybe you should all try to go at once? So far, there's only 2 left standing. Clucker's in the lead.
Wow.
But the game's not over yet. Try to catch the hearts. Did I mention you have to catch them all in one go? Well, maybe you still got enough to pass. Guess not. Okay, Clucker, it's your turn. Remember, you need a strategy. So far, so good. It looks like he's gonna make it. Just a few more hearts and we're almost done. You did it! And it looks like the Sprunki team is today's winner.